Hi folks, today I return to the panel from the Cisco with the reference KMM3000 to do it a small upgrade. The first thing I will do is swap the 8MB88 and put in this place the 8MB328. And also I implement here the ISP port to program the system instead of use this connector here, okay? To remove the IC or the processor, the first thing I need to do is put the Captain satin around to protect hot air, to remove the other components around, okay? I put here a little, here also. Okay, this is enough. This Captain satin around the IC will keep the other compounds around the IC. Okay, now I have a resin to activate the hair, dot hair. Is enough. And now start with the hot air gun. First I put air in the whole the space around the IC, and after start here. The IC will be separated when you see a lot of the smoke around the IC. Okay, it's done. This is fast. This is IC I keep because it's a good IC. Okay. Now I'm waiting a small time to. It's not so hot the board, and now I can remove the Captain satin. Okay. Don't coming any compound in the satin. To clean the pins or the SMD surface, I will go use the satin of copper with resin to remove the solder. Now I'm using isopropylic to remove the resin. Okay, the surface or the SMD pins is clear, and now I need put the IC. Is necessary to do the alignment of the pin 1 with the pin 1. You can see here the mark. This is pin 1. It's necessary to do the alignment. And after the alignment is ready, I put a small stain in the pins and do the connection. To put the processor in the place, I will go use the normal build, because if I use the past, is more difficult to implement. The first thing I have done is put the processor in the place, and I don't worry about the excess of the wheel, because after I remove with the setting of the copper. Now I'm using the copper satin and I remove the excess of the valve. Okay, I think it's done. Let me clear now. Let me clean. Okay, I think it's perfect. Now I will implement these two blocks of the 6 pins in this position here. Okay, this is pin 1, pin 2, and I will connect these blocks the other side of the board. Okay, now let's clean, because stay every time with a lot of resin. Okay, good. Now to program the processor, I'm not use this block anymore, okay, because all the pins necessary to do the programmation is here. But I'm using these first 6 pins at the left of this header. okay? And you can see here the first pin, the red, corresponding to the VCC. After you have the MOSI, and the third pin is the VND. The other side, the orange in this case, you have the MISO, SCK, and reset. Okay, with these 6 pins, you have the connection to be able to program the processor with a UTK, or you can use the Arduino as one interface of ISP to this part. Okay. The replace from the ATmega88 by ATmega328 is done, and the code already have done a long time ago is running over the processor. The code is the same. I have here, for example, the reset of the counter. Okay, up button, down button, fast forward, forward, back, and so on. The functions are implemented. The infrared already is working also. You receive the code when you press the command of the infrared command, and the board is ready to use to other functions like multimeter or imprinter. Okay.